Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, welcome back to Aisha Vlog. So, today we are going to learn about notice writing. So, basically, notice writing is something which should be known by everyone. Like those who live in community, they have seen there's a notice board in the entering gate. There are some kind of paper sticked, and there is one paper especially which tells new rule and something. So that rule is key. Everyone should follow it, not the one only, but everyone. Same in the school. Those who study in school, they have in colleges and all, they also have seen that there are notice board especially made, and there is some kind of information given. So we are going to learn about it, like how to write it and everything. So we are going to focus on school writing, basically a school format. So what it is, basically whenever you start writing, you first and foremost you have to make a box. Make a box. In the first, you are gonna write the name of the organization. Like if you are in school, you are gonna write as campus school, Srinivas Puri, and if you are in some kind of college, university, you can write it. After that, you will write notice in capital letters, then date, then subject. Why I have mentioned there are two times subject. If you need to write subject in small, you can, but try to make it a focus. So write the subject with, you can see this one subject, write it here. Okay, subject like basketball event and everything, school library fair. Then what's the content is going to be, like when when it is happening, date or time, where it is happening, in auditorium, in playground, who, like the organization manager who is going to, like if you need to participate, to whom you are going to register your name and details, like who is the one who is going to teach you. You can get in also telling about it, what will come in first. I have switched it. So what will be like, first the intro, like about what this notice is about, then the date, time, then where, then who. At the last, you're gonna write the signature, full name, and the designation, basically at what post you are. Like if you are a school captain, like sports captain, and you are writing this, then at the designation, you're writing school sports captain. Okay. And sometimes in question, it is given that you are Shruti or Priya, and you are a school, you are literally captain, and you are writing this. So at that point, you are not going to write your name, you are going to write Shruti, the name which is given to you in the question. It's important, otherwise the examiner will going to deduct your marks for this. Okay. Then there are two form, like one is the, this one is the first one, which is bit like a paragraph, and this is the second one, in which we are going to mention it key. Like the first line should be followed, like this is to inform you that the school is organizing whatever subject is, like basketball trial for the student this to this class. And then after that, in content, you're gonna write the date when it is happening, like last registration date, and the event date, everything, timing when it is going to happen, venue, where. And then in the last, it is important to write that interested student must register their name with Mr. Abhishek Srivastava latest by 20 August. For more information, contact the under design. Under design, basically Avika. We are focusing on Avika Mehra, and who's what is their designation? Sports captain. Then there are some practice exercises for you. You can go through it, and this is one example questions for you all if you need, so you can just have a look to it. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can just ask me. But notice writing is something, it is very easy. You have to just learn the format, nothing much. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.